So guys, as you'll be watching this video, you are going to enjoy every bit of it. From the moment I got into the trade at this level, and when I gave it to the VIPs, telling them to be patient. Okay, we have to be patient for the market to come down here. So just watch this video fully and you're going to understand every bit of it. And the indicator settings, of course, it's on the video. So make sure you watch the end, subscribe, join the free Telegram channel, and you're not gonna regret it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX once again. Big shout out to those that just joined the channel. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button. Thank you very much. I want to give a big shout out to those that came up for the mentorship and those that have graduated. For those that are hitting me up for the VIP, those that are also for the account management and challenge passing. I'm very glad that we are working together. You guys are making it big. So before we go further, let me just show you a little of what we've been doing in the VIP. So now this trade, the crash 300 I just gave, okay, this is an earlier trade from some days ago. Then this is today. I found the setup for the VIX 25, and yes, it was a free signal that I gave to the group, and it came very late. That's when the signal comes, we give it. It doesn't matter the time. So we were in profit before, you see, I saw this setup on the crash 300, and I told my VIPs that I'm waiting for this to give me an entry on the higher time frame, which I needed to come down to where the trend line is before we get into the trade. And you know, when you're using price action to trade, you have to be very patient. And here is the market starting to pull down, and we needed to break where that box is. And I told them to be patient for a break. And same thing has been happening until the market got to that level, which I saw it, and I told them to get into the market. Of course, this sometimes we give free signals, but not every time. Like I think this week we've given up to 2 or 3 or thereabouts, and it's been winning trades. Okay, so now this is a C300 I gave them to buy, and we are kind of rocking in profit at the moment. Okay, I'm going to increase this 15 minutes. I just have to use the landscape mode so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, this isn't really about indicators. This is mostly about price action, and you're going to love this video. So please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you don't like this channel, make sure you like this channel. Share the videos to your friends. Okay, join the free Telegram channel. The link to the free Telegram channel is on the description of this video. And you want to hit me up for me to help you pass a Profem, for me to help you pass your challenges on Profem here, for account management, for mentorship, for VIP signals. Hit me up. You're gonna find my WhatsApp number on the link, on the description of this video. You are free to hit me up. So now you guys are gonna be asking me, how did I get to see all these? You know, when you're trading with price action, there are some things that you have to learn. Okay, there's some things you have to learn, and getting into this trade is a show of trust. You know, I had to be patient enough to wait. You see, I have my resistance here, and when market got here, it resisted and it was slow, but I had to just wait for it to come down to this level because I am looking for a buying entry, because this market is an uptrend. So you see, although we have another support here, but we are not going to be working with this place because we are working with where price is at the moment, and that's this area. So this area is very important. You see, it got here, reversed back, and came to respect this trend line, which I am working with. So when you're working with price action, you have to play with different time frames. I start from the daily, okay, from the higher time frame. Of course, these are things that you might actually learn when you join the when you join the mentorship class. I'm going to be showing you the candlesticks to look out for at your support and resistance. There are some things that you have to look out for. So I start with the higher time frame to find my support and resistance. If I can't find them, then I'll move to the 4 hours, because sometimes market at on the daily time frame won't show you what you really need. Is that the distance might be very far. So I go to the 4 hours, check for it again to try and find if I'll see a resistance and a support, and you see this place here, market coming here is actually very, this is a sideways, this is a sideways trend, but some people will call it a ranging market. Of course, it was ranging at this point, okay, before it decided to break this level, retest it here, and went back up. So now when it went back up and retested this zone, I had to wait because we are looking for buying entries for it to come down to this trend line for me to get back into it. Of course, I use indicator settings also, but I'm going to be sharing that with you. But you have to watch my former video to understand how to use the indicator settings I'm going to show to you. Okay, the indicator settings on this is just this commodity channel index, and here is just the settings that you're going to use. And make sure you use the 1 minute time frame. And also another thing you have to notice is that you can't depend fully on indicators. You can't depend fully on indicators. So my VIPs are actually milking the market. We are up and running in good profit, and now you see that we are expecting market to buy back and create a higher high above this level. So our TP is going to be around this level. Okay, it's going to be around this level, at least our TP1 before going for a TP2 around that level. And you see where we place our SL very close because we don't want to lose much. Okay, we don't want to lose much. So you see where our SL is very close to our entry. So with price action, you have very good entry into the market. Okay, it gives you very legit entry into the market whereby you are able to enter without having too much loss and be able to gain. Of course, you've seen that. I think we have already made the amount of money we would have lost had it been this market, this trade didn't go our way. But now we are waiting to get like maybe times 3 of that. But it's very important to note that you have to take your profit and leave the market once it gives you your targets. You have to have a target for it. You can't be trading blindly. Okay, you can't be trading blindly. You have to trade and have it in mind that you want to stay profitable. How do you stay profitable? Is taking profit and your losses, managing your losses. Okay, and another thing, make sure that you are able to incur losses. Don't allow the losses of yesterday to affect your trading. Okay, of course, losses are going to come. Of course, we lost I think one trade this week. Last week. Okay, this is a new week, and of course it comes. You can't help it. So you just have to be ready, be mentally ready, be sound for it. Of course, this doesn't last for a long time. How to stay profitable is wait for your analysis to play out. I had to wait for the market to get to this level. I had to wait for it to come down here, get to this level, and start buying. So that's where patience plays a very huge role, of which you saw that I told my people, hey, be very patient and wait for the market to come before you get in for a buy or a sell. So you have to be very careful to make sure that you are on the right path. Okay, so this indicator is very simple. It's very simple to use because while you're using it, you will see that it is showing you where to get into. If you use the settings that, if you watch my former video and use the same settings I'm using, you will see that it's very easy because once this CCI gets to this place, to the level minus 200 and below, and it crosses, it gives you an option to go long, that's to buy. So this indicator already shows you where to buy and where to sell. We have the long, we have the short. Okay, but you have to be sure of the direction of the market. Is it a downtrend, is it an uptrend? And you also have to use price action too to know how these things work out. Okay, you can't just jump in blindly. You've seen we have, okay, that's the spike that just came, but we have been in massive profit and we expect the market to still pull up because it's an uptrend. So you just have to watch my former video and you will get the best explanation for this. But let me just show you the settings of this. The period is 120. You apply to close levels 300 minus 300 minus 200, 300 and 200. Time frame, all time frames, you can use any color you want. Of course, this indicator has been working for me very well, and that's why I'm sharing with you. I've shared it with my VIPs I've shared it with, and we're using it to trade, like we're using it to make profit from the crash 300. If you watch my former video, you're still going to see that it's still this same indicator that has been helping us out. So that's why I have to share it again with you guys, so that those that haven't watched the video, that's why you have to subscribe to my channel, so that you'll be getting these pings. Okay, so you make sure you use a 1 minute time frame for this, and the zoom level is just the zoom level. You can use other zoom levels, but just note that once it gets to where you see the long and it crosses the long, you go in for your buy. And if it's short, if you crosses where the short shows, you go in for your sell. So this indicator is very simple to use. Although here, price action was the key that I used in trading. So guys, we are having spikes now, and it's coming down to our entry again. It's coming down to our entry again, and we expect it to still go back up because this is an uptrend. It has gotten to that level, so market will be playing around that level before it goes up. It also serves as a support. It also serves as a support because at this level, this box here, everything here serves as a support. This is a support, so my market is likely to pull back from there. Let me reduce this so that can show very well. So market is likely to pull up from there, and you see that SL is very close. So if I'm losing on this trade, I'll be losing at least maybe $20 because I opened about 4 or 5 positions. So that's not going to take a whole lot from me. Okay, so I'm ready to lose this because my account is big. But you see what I talked about, taking your profits when you're profitable? That's just it. So now if you're profitable and you allow the market to go down into a loss again, you'll be crying now. You're now the one that is looking for a market to go back to your entry, to go back to buy because you want it to buy. But it gave you the opportunity to take your profits, but you don't want to stay profitable because maybe you're greedy, or maybe the money is not just enough for you. But you should take what you have and leave, because this market is actually not 100% predictable. But with price action, with some indicators that some of the traders bring to us, we are able to find our entries and we're able to make good profit from it. But I am still telling you that this market is going to buy. So that was just a short pullback. It's going to be, sometimes these pullbacks happen so I can take people out, because there are people that are now entering this trade for a sell. Okay, there are people entering this trade for a sell, and now the market will not be going in their favor, because I am very positive it's not going to go in their favor, because it's just going to go down, take them out. Once you take them out, you start buying. Okay, so that's why we place our SL at a very convenient level. Okay, so guys, if you want to know more about trading, if you want to learn how to trade successfully and stay in profit, hit me up, subscribe to this channel. You're going to find the link to the free Telegram channel. Of course, let me show you the free Telegram channel. Also are very lucky because they get the signals too. Okay, let me show you the signal that I gave to them. Okay, this is our testimonies of the VIX25 1.8. He grew the account from $6 to $20 from using our what they call it, our signal. And here he was able to make a couple of bucks. I don't know if he closed or he was still leaving it to run, because we were able to make over 40 from each position. So you see this is the free signal which I gave on the 25 1s, and people were able to make money from it. So if you haven't joined the Blue Boy team, make sure you join the Blue Boy team. As you're seeing, the market is going back up, it's buying back up. So market is just playing along this region. It's just playing along this region. There are a lot of things. See, when market is like magic, it's very, very interesting when when you are patient enough for the market to come to where you are. That's why people say don't rush the market, don't go after the market, let the market come to you. I had to wait for the market to come to me, and that's why I can stay profitable. I'm not in a hurry. I don't just wake up from my bed and jump into a trade. You have to be chilled, you have to be patient enough for this to work out. So with price action, you can trade anything, be it BTC, crypto. Of course, crypto, this is a support, a resistance here. Okay, that's a 5 minutes. I can't actually draw that. You can't use 5 minutes to find a resistance and a support. So we start with the higher time frame. You've seen that this area here, seem to be a support, but now let's go to the 4 hours and see. Okay, this present one, we have to bring it down here. That's the resistance, sorry, that's the resistance. So we are likely going to wait for market to buy up to this level, then see if it's going to reject from there. If it shows us signs of rejections of pulling back, we enter for a sell, take our profit and leave. So with price action, things are very easy. We use the lower time frame to find our entries. I mean, there are a lot of things you're going to learn using it on VIX 100. You can use it on currency and everything. Okay, you can use it on all whatnot, guys. So with this, you are sure of making profit. This is R251S, which is still currently in profit. You've seen here support comes there, it has never passed that zone. So guys, there are a lot of things you have to learn. We're massive profit, but holding on to it is just to see how much more we can make, because when your equity is big, you are able to make more money. Like, you're able to hold on to trades because you have enough leverage. Okay, so guys, make sure you join the Blue Boy team. I don't want to waste your time on this, but just make sure to join the Blue Boy team and you won't regret being with us. So you've seen that market has now bought back to where it's almost to our second entry level is buying back, and this could be the end of it. It might just decide to go and never to return. So guys, you see that price action is key. You see that trading with indicators is also key. But if you really want to enjoy understand how to use these indicators, make sure you check my former videos. You're going to see the videos of which I gave out these indicator settings and how they are very effectively used. Okay, so follow up on that. Join our free Telegram group. Hit me up for mentorship, Profit challenge passing, and everything that you need. Okay, I'll be right there with you. So thanks guys for watching this video, and I really appreciate you guys for always giving me the motivation to go ahead. So I'm going to see you guys on the next video, and for those that want to join the class, our class will be starting for the new month very soon. So make sure you hit me up and let me give you a slot, because it's gonna be hot. Okay, so thanks guys for watching. See you guys on the next video while we enjoy our profits and the VIPs are ready to feast. See you guys.